Hello, this is Jerome Sorilla, and today I'm going to share to you my newly procured stamps. So come, let's get closer and let's have fun. So basically, it cost me 610 pesos for these stamps, and then let's check it out. So I think these one are freebies. These are mini sheetlet from the Netherlands, and it's cute. I like stamps that is very childlike, or the artists are children, or probably not, but it depicts something childlike. Then this one is, I think, is also a freebie. Then the packaging is crazy, probably because the shipper doesn't want it to be malukot. Ayaw niya ng ganun. So let's check this one. Hindi ko siya mabuksan, but this is Poland. Got it? Inisa-isa talaga niya. It's Poland. This is 1968, set of 8. There you go. Okay. It's 1966 nakalagay dito, pero yung nakalagay dito 1968. Nagkamali lang siguro. Nice. And lastly is a train. So ang ginawa niya, bawat country linagay niya sa isang mini envelope na yan. Sige, sira. Oh, this is Portugal. Kasi kailangan ko nang mapuno ang Portugal ko. Kailangan no? Hindi na kasi ako makapaghintay. Nice, right? Pero ang gagawin ko nito, kapag naayos ko na yung mga yung mga stamp album, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo, of course. Yeah. Masyado siyang ingat na ingat. This one is Suriname. Maganda yung sa likod kasi baka nga magkadikit-dikit. Suriname. Kulang ang 3 stamp na Suriname para mapuno ko na yung stamp album ko. So there you go. The next one is, what's this? Let's check it out. Oh, this one is, diba? I think this is a country sa Russia. Una akala ko nativity scene siya, hindi pala. So whatever it is, I am happy na meron ako nito. Sinearch ko kasi to, akala ko Cinderella stamp o whatever, pero okay lang din. Kasi ang purpose ko naman to have a single stamp ng every country sa world. Regardless if it's that country or not, might as well, gusto ko lang magkaroon. Okay, the next one is Barbados. Meron na akong Barbados sa album ko, kanya lang nag-iisa lang yun. So might as well dagdagan natin. There it goes. The next one is magsasabi rin kasi ako na na-receive ko na rin tong mga stamps na to. Wala naman siguro naiwanan sa loob. Wala naman. Ina-address ko na to sa office namin kasi minsan hindi ko siya nare-receive. Parating na yung kasama ko. Ayan. This is Greece. Bubuksan ko lang siya real quick ha. Bubuksan ko lang ng real quick. Meron pa tayong 4. Okay. Ang next naman is this one. Let's open. This one is Republic of South Africa. Pili pa rin yung stamps. Ito Southwest Africa. This is Namibia. Hello, ang tagal-tagal ko yung nag-ano na Namibia. Pero okay na yan. Meron pa pala, munti ko na nalukot-lukot. Puti, hindi muna. Republic of South Africa. So we do have 3 more left. Pakonti na lang to kasi konti na lang naman yung kailangan ko para mapuno ko na yung album ko eh. This one is Republic of Indonesia. Okay, the last 2. Ang hindi lang nila sinama sa computation is the Netherlands. Lucky for me, ang freebie nila is Netherlands. This one is Jersey. Meron kasi ako nito isa lang, kaya gusto kong mapuno na. Yan, Christopher Columbus. The ship. And then this one, the road. Ito na yung pinakalas. This is Cuba. Ang kulang-kulang doon is isa, I think. Pero ito yung ilalagay ko. This is an airplane. Boeing ba yan? Di ako sure. Diba? Correo. Aereo. This one is... don't know. What's that? Are these the same? Hindi, magkaiba siya. Meron pa pala. Ito. Translatico. Ay, bahala siya. Kasi hindi ko... Ito, malaki oh. Airmail. So, basically, yun po siya lahat. Hiniwalay-hiwalay ko siya para hindi ako mahirapan malagay sa stamp album ko. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye for now.